Hi, I'm Carolyn Nicholson. I'm a farm financial analyst for the Dairy Base team, and I'm here today to give you some tips. This tutorial is about entering your Dairy Base physical data summary for 2010-11 for Event Example Farm. First of all, you need to jump into www.dairybase.co.nz and click in your client login. This will be your username for your accounting practice and your password. If you can't remember your password, contact Dairy Base on info@dairybase.co.nz. Okay, we click into here and you can see the farms that are associated to our farming business. We're going to look at Event Example Farm. To edit the season, we just need to click on the drop-down box, and you can see that from our physical data summary that we're entering the year 2010-11. You just need to make sure that you're entering the correct year. Click on that box and then click on Edit. Okay, this brings up our loading page. We just need to enter our initials and click on Level 1 by clicking on the tick box and load. We just jump in by editing at the bottom of the box. This is our first entry page. We're looking at Level 1 data source, and we can see that the farmer has given us the actual data, so we wouldn't change this drop-down box. If you were entering data that was created in order to generate a report, you would change that to no. In order to benchmark the data, it has to be the actual data. The balance date month is the month that their financial year finishes. It may not necessarily be the same as their production year. So you can change that by just clicking on the drop-down box as well. District Council, this is the regional authority. It's the council that collects their rates. So this farmer is based in the Waikato district. You can see that that's the same as generated through, and again you can click through and you can see the different district councils that rates are paid through. And again, once again, the farmer may supply different dairy companies. You can add any further ones if you wanted to, and you can select perhaps Tatua or Open Country or Gisborne Milk or Westland, depending on where the farm is situated, just by jumping there. Okay, and again, to remove that you can click on the side and remove those additions. Supply numbers, you just need to check that you've got the correct information generated through. In this case, there's been a loading error, so we're just going to correct that. And you can add any further supply numbers if you want to. Right, let's have a look at our ownership types. In this case, our farm business type is an owner-operator. Farm business owner-operators usually receive 100% of the milk cheque. You can click into share milker, owner with share milker, owner with a variable order contract milker, variable order share milker or contract milker, or diverse. Using diverse is not benchmarked in any way. We'd use this where a farmer may own a farm and also share milk on another farm, so it does not fit into any one of these categories. Organic, they need to be certified organic farm. If they're in the process of getting certified, they still remain as not organic. Same with winter milk, they need to be a certified winter milk provider. Right, calving season, it's usually spring, but you have options to select other times. And breeds, you look at the different breeds of dairy cows. In this case, you can see on this completed form here, none of these details have changed from previous seasons, but we can see that the milking interval in this case has changed from twice a day to once a day for 16 to 30 weeks. That's the end of the page 1 physical data summary. We'll be covering page 2 in a future tutorial. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Carolyn Nicholson, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video tutorial.